fashion, I'm going to be mincing garlic first. Okay. So first, you gotta smash it. And then, what you gotta do, you gotta kind of cut very thin pieces of it until it looks like it's diced, but it is incredibly small. Done. Started? Okay, now I'm going to be dicing an onion. So first what you want to do is you want to take off the root end. Like that. Set it to the side, or whatever. So now it's flat. For the method that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be keeping the root intact, so I'm going to be slicing it like this. Set this aside. So now it's like this, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be slicing it not completely off, like this. Also, don't forget to peel it. Be a smart person and peel it before you do this, unlike me. Anyways, okay, still going. So you just want to keep on doing this until you get to the end. I'm crying a bit. Okay, what? Whew. Okay, next what you want to do is you want to start chopping like this, down the middle. You can do this one or more times, but for the purposes of safety, I'm just going to do it once. And then finally, just want to chop down the middle. Like this. You should get diced onions. Okay. Okay, now what I'm doing is called a matchstick cut. So first what I want to do is I want to cut off the bloom end, because we don't need that. Then what you want to do is you want to cut off about a 2-inch thick area out of the zucchini. And then just have that. And then next what you want to do is you just kind of want to square it off. Just kind of want to square it off so that it won't roll anywhere while you're cutting, because that is no good. Then, what you want to do is you just kind of want to cut off little itty bitty bits out of it. And then what you want to do is you just kind of want to chop it. That wasn't supposed to happen. It's kind of slippery. You just want to chop it to little matchsticks. And then boom.